Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use ball bearing assembly. All parts is guys, we want to create new sketch interface, and this is a ball bearing is complete product you can see here. Okay, this product you can see here is round and round forward, and this is a backward. This is a backward and this is a forward is move, and this product is very important is beginners, and all parts is inner parts, outer parts, case of ball bearing. This is a outer parts, this is a inner parts, and this is a case, and this is a ball, and this is a rivets. All is assembly, and this product is completely drawing. Okay, so you can see here one by one all product all parts is assembled, and okay, this is assembly parts, and okay, this is a SolidWorks interface is assembly interface, and all parts is one by one is drawing, and all parts is you can see here. This is a browse open, and this is all save all parts is first is ball and control, press control, second is case, third is inner parts and outer parts. All is parts you can see here and open. Okay, this is a ball, and this is a case of ball bearing, and this is the inner parts, and this is the outer parts. Okay, all four parts you can see here, and four parts is assembled, then product is ready. Okay, at first select. Okay, this is a white page is okay, white page. Okay, and this is a okay, lighting is just shaded. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, first is this part is mat is very important assembly parts, and all parts you can see here one by one is okay. This select and mat, and this part is select. This outer face select and mat, and another is inner part select. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, select. Okay, and okay, and this is a advanced mat you can see here, and this is a width. Okay, and select okay, this face you can see here. Okay, this face first, second this face, and third this face, and this face. Okay, this is a perfect. Mat is a correct. Okay, and select. Okay, and again select. Okay, and this is a drag here, and next is a okay float. Select a float, and this is a float. Okay, this part is first is a drawing, this is a fix, and this component is float is drawing here. Okay, and this part is a select nearby, and this is a ball, and select a ball is a front, select control, and this is a inner part is select a front, okay, and select a mat, okay, and you can say here select okay, okay, and select another place is you can say here is this is a ball is right and control, press control, and this is a inner parts is right, okay, and select a okay, okay, this part is a select okay, and this part is a drag here, okay, and this part is select and mat, and this face is okay, and select a flip mat alignment, select okay, this is a okay, and select okay, okay, and you can see here this part is a fix and this part is a float, this outer part is fix or inner parts is float, outer part is fix, okay, and this is a float, and select a drag here, okay, this part is a rotate here, you can see here easily rotate these parts, okay, and first ball and select a next mirror, okay, and at first select a temporary axis and select a circular pattern, and this is axis, select, and this is a component to pattern, okay, this, and this is a pattern is a 8 pattern, okay, and angle is 360, okay, okay, this is all occupied, okay, and this is a reverse direction is move, and this body is rotate, this inner part is rotate is a, and this is a back side rotate, and this is a okay, and next is a this case, next is a, and at first select a mat, and this is a point you can say here, this is a okay, this is center point you can see here, okay, small component, okay, this point is a okay, you can see here, okay, this part is a mat first point, and select this point you can see here, this point, okay, and drag this point you can see here, and select okay, okay, and next component is small nearby, and select this, and select this, okay, this is a fix, okay, and okay, and this is a one side is you can say here, and this is a another side is not, but this case is copy, another side is complete here, okay, this is a mirror component you can see here, mirror component parts is used, and okay, first is this face, and this body is this, and select a next, okay, preview is you can say here, all preview is showing here, this preview is copy of case of ball bearing, and select okay, and copy is perfect, okay, this is a perfect, and this is a rivet, last part is remaining, this is a rivets parts, and select a design library, and select a toolbox, and select a dine, and select dine is a pin is a pin is a rivet, and rivet is a rivet select is a rivet 660, dyne 660 is a complete. Okay, this is a drag and this point is a select. Okay, and this is a point is a select here. Okay, okay, this point is select here, body is okay. And next is a size is 2, type A, length is 6. Okay, you can say here all is complete. This is a this parts, this side and this is a completes. Select OK and cancel out. Okay, and this is a rivet is one and another is empty, but is a copy. This parts is again mirror and copy, and select a first is a first parts mirror. Okay, this component is a okay, this parts mirror is a this is a rotate. Okay, circular pattern, this is a circular pattern is a selector. This is a axis and this face is a this parts. Okay, you can see here this copy is you can see here, but one copy and next is a 8 copy. Okay, 8 copy 360 equal spacing all is correct and this is a correct. Okay, and this is a hide. Okay, okay, this body is complete you can see here, and this is a move, this is a rotate, and this is a rotate. Okay, this is a this body is a ball bearing is complete, and this is a forward rotate you can see here, and this is a backward rotate you can see here, and this is a very good component for beginner. And okay guys, thank you.